The careers of Mumbai sports journalists and cricket writers in particular have revolved in recent times around two individuals. The first one held sway from 1971 to 1987, Sunil Gavaskar. And within a couple of months of his retirement, a partnership took place in February 1988, to be precise. And as we all know what happened subsequently. In November 1989, the National Selection Committee sat down to pick the Indian team for the tour of Pakistan. It was chaired by the late Raj Singh Dungarpur. One particular name came up for selection, but a couple of the selectors raised their concerns. They said that he's too young, he's only 16 years old. Look who he will be up against. Imran Khan, Wasim Akram. What if he fails? That was the general apprehension. At which point, the late Naren Tamhane told the chairman, Mr. Raj Singh Dungarpur, "Sir, I would like to tell you one thing. Sachin Tendulkar does not fail. The rest, as we all know, is history." I would like to request Mr. Nandu Natekar to felicitate a legend. Let's give a big hand for Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Sachin will receive a memento for completing a century of international centuries.
May I have a word before I pass on this, and a pleasure at that, the award to Sachin Tendulkar. Well, this is only the second time that I am meeting him. I am sure he doesn't remember, but I do, because when you meet the icons in later years, you never forget. You never forget when you met them for the first time. And even at that point of time, I think he was still an icon. And I'm talking of somewhere in the county in England with the Tadavlikars. I think it was Atul Vasan's, was it? Kent मध्ये हा नाही Kent मध्ये भेटलो. Then I think we met at that आणि तुझ्या बरोबर तुमच्या बरोबर विनोद कांबळी होता आणि विनोद कांबळी had worn some very fancy looking sunglasses. So he asked him, "काय विनोद हे कुठनं घेतलंस?" हे सांगायचं नाही तुला कुठनं घेतलं. असे काहीतरी त्यांचं कॉन्व्हर्सेशन झालेलं मला आठवते. सांगायचं म्हणजे दिस इज ओनली द सेकंड टाइम that I'm meeting him after that meeting in the counties in England. And it's a big pride and a pleasure for me to give you the award.